lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is vegetarian shito. This shito does not contain soya and it's very simple and tasty. Before we go on, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like and share this video, click on the bell icon. Okay, so I'm pouring my oil into my saucepan. I'm going to add chopped carrots to it. You can use any vegetable of your choice, you get it. Okay, so I'm going to add ginger and garlic to it, and I'm going to cover this and then allow it to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Do you get it? And then the next thing that I will do is also to add my red chili to it. So the idea is to stir fry the ingredients a little before we blend them. So I'm adding my red chili to it, stir everything together, and then I'm also going to add my bell pepper that I've chopped. I did not take the seeds out, so I chopped everything. I'm going to add it to it, stir it together, and then allow it to cook. I'll cover and then allow it to fry very well. Please share this video for me, leave a comment. Even if it's an emoji, it will be okay. So I'm going to add these spices to it: rosemary, star anise, fennel seeds, calabash nuts, all those spices. Any spices you have, you can use it. Okay, so I'm going to cover this and then give it time for it to fry very well. Okay, please make sure you click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, I'm going to add my chopped onions to it. Now bear in mind, you don't need too much onions when you are making shito. Do you get it? Because you'll be frying. So if your onion and your onion is too much, or if you are using also spring onions and they are too much, it's going to give it some bitter taste. So this is my spring onions that I'm going to add to it, and then I'm going to stir this also together and then let it cook. But you know, spring onions, they don't take long to cook, so this, you're not going to leave it on fire for long. Do you get it? Now I'm going to add a bit of mint to it and a bit of parsley to it. Do you get it? Just a little. So this, when I stir, I'll quickly take it off fire because it's hot, and then the heat will cook it, so you don't need to let it be on fire for long. Do you get it? Okay, so at this point it's okay. I'm going to put it off and allow it to cool down completely. Do you get it? Please like and share this video and leave a comment as well. So we'll cover it halfway and then allow it to cool complete. So at this point, that's cooled down, and we are going to blend it. We will use the oil to blend it. We are not using water to blend this. Hope you get it. So after blending, I'm pouring oil into the saucepan. Then I'm going to add this is negro pepper, and I'm going to add cloves to it. You can decide to blend them if you want, but I prefer that way. And then bay leaves also, and then stir fry it for some time. I'm going to add the blended ingredients to it. So add everything that we've blended to the oil, and then we are going to cook this. So I'll just rinse the blender with a little bit of water and then add it to the sauce on fire. Do you get it? Okay. And so I'm going to stir again, then cover and give it time for it to cook. If today is your first time watching me, I say thank you for passing by, and please don't leave without subscribing, liking, leaving a comment and sharing this video. So I just added tomato paste to it. When it comes to shito, you don't need too much tomato, so just a little bit of it. So I used the small size of tomato paste. I used 2 of it. Do you get it? And so if it's your first time, please subscribe for me, like and share this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, so I say thank you for coming back to watch my video. Keep on watching, sharing, leave a comment and like for me. Okay, so we are still cooking our shito. I'm going to cover again and then give it time for it to cook. So you have to be stirring it intermittently. Don't just cover and then forget yourself. If not, your pepper will burn and it will be bitter. So I'm adding dried thyme, nutmeg. This is nutmeg. I'm going to add all my seasonings, black pepper and then white pepper also. So this is white pepper. Yes. And then I'm adding all pepper seasoning. Now when it comes to salt, don't add salt at this point. So I just added chili flakes. You don't need to add sauce at this point. You have to add sauce when you know that you are done cooking your shito, and then when you taste and then you realize that, oh, the salt is not enough, then you can add salt, because you are going to cook this very dry. Do you get it? So I had some green chili sauce there and I decided to add it to it. And I'll add more oil because shito needs a lot of oil, especially if you are not keeping it in the fridge. You are going to keep it on the countertop. You need to give it a lot of oil. And so I'm adding more oil to it to fry it very well. Do you get it? Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Okay. And so we are going to fry this for it to be dry. As I said, you don't need to add your salt immediately because of the seasonings that you add. Some of the seasonings, they contain salt, and so if you add salt at this point, you might end up making your sauce very salty. And so at this point it's a bit okay. And so I will cover and then put it off. So I put it off and allow it to cool down. So this is it. The oil, as the pepper has settled, and this is the oil you see on top. Now I did not add salt to it. After cooking everything and I tasted, I realized that it was okay. I didn't need to add salt. So I'm packaging this. But if you taste and you need to add salt, then add salt. But as I said, make sure it's at the last stage. Do you get it? So this is it. Shito. This is vegetarian, vegan. You can enjoy this. And so this is it. Very tasty. I mean, I gave it out to some friends and they were happy. They enjoyed it. Do you get it? So I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to cover with a tissue. Yes, so because I'm going to transport this, I decided to cover with a tissue this way, and then also foil, so that even if it shakes, the oil that will come out, this tissue will soak it. Do you get it? So I'll take the excess from it. Yes, I'll take the excess, and then that will be it. So this is it for our vegetarian shito. Give it a try and you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.